Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7 Class A. Would like to present our group assignment titled Analysis of Product Raw Material Procurement Activities at COSE Coworking Space. And next. Okay, before that, I would like to introduce my team. I'm Ansafani Utami with study number 211-0312-043.
I'm Adinda Shakira Astiati with student number 2110312-034.
Okay, I'm Tromabilis Julian with number of student 211-031-036.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Jevika Risti with student number 211-0312-051.
I'm Razikuna Saputra with student number 211-0312-054.
Okay, next. Okay, this is topic outline. We would like to discuss this present. First, introduction to method. 3, data collection and analysis, and the last, conclusion and suggestion. Okay, next. Okay, first introduction. The high demand in the F&B industry has propelled rapid growth in business within this sector. This has prompted entrepreneurs to develop creative ideas to run their business. To ensure the availability of material during operations, procurement of goods becomes a necessity. Awareness of the importance of economical, fast, and quality products has given rise to a new concept known as supply chain management. Logistic management, which later evolved into supply chain management, is an integrated system that coordinates the entire process within an organization or company in preparing and delivering products or service to consumers. Okay, procurement is a system used to fulfill the process of acquiring goods needed by a company. This research was conducted at Cozy Coworking Space located at Pangkalan Jati Street number 1, RW1, Pangkalan Jati, Kecamatan Cinere, Depok. Cozy Coworking Space operates in the F&B sector, primarily focusing on providing coworking space and a cafe that offers a variety of food and beverage. The space provided by Cozy can be used for working, meetings, as well as distance learning session. Okay, next. Next, problem statement. First, how does cozy coworking space determine and manage suppliers in the procurement of product raw materials? Two, how is the purchasing flow carried out by cozy coworking space in procuring product raw material? And the last, how is supply chain management at cozy coworking space? Next. Okay, next research purpose. First, to understand how cozy co-working space determines and manages suppliers for procuring material for their products. Two, to understand the purchasing process carried out by cozy co-working space in procuring raw materials for their product. And the last, to understand the supply chain management at cozy co-working space. Next.
Okay, this slide explains the definition of procurement. So procurement is not just a simple transaction, but a comprehensive process that includes steps from planning to evaluation. The purpose of procurement is to ensure the availability of resources required to support the operation and growth of the organization. Next. Okay, supplier. Supplier is partner who provides goods, service, or other resources to an organization. Suppliers have the primary responsibility for producing or selling resources required by the business or providing service to other business. The quality of the relationship with suppliers greatly influence crucial aspects such as on-time delivery, special price offer, consistent availability of goods, and the quality of goods order. Next.
Okay, next, this slide is the explain the definition of purchasing. What is purchasing? Purchasing is the activity of process of purchasing goods, service, or work from external party, such as supplier or vendors, by an organization or agency. It is an integral part of a broader process called procurement, which cover the entire cycle of activity from requirement planning to evaluating supplier performance after the transaction is complete. In general, purchasing involves a series of steps, including identifying needs, preparing specifications, searching for potential supplier or vendors, negotiating about price, ordering, shipping, receiving goods or service, and payment. The goal is to ensure that organization obtain the necessary goods or service of desired quality in the right quantities and at optimal cost. Next. There are several important aspects of purchasing. First, identify needs, and then preparation of specification, and then supplier search, negotiation, order, and acceptance and payment. Purchasing may also involve selecting appropriate supplier, risk management, and monitoring supplier performance to ensure that continue of supply and compliance with quality and ethical standard. Next. Okay, what is materials? According to Handoko, quality is a condition of a product based on an assessment of its conformity with predetermined measurement standard. So raw materials is a term used to refer to goods that are processed in the product process into finished product. Sumarto states that raw materials are goods used in the production process that can be easily and immediately recognized as finished goods or product. Based on general understanding, the difference in meaning of the word between raw materials and raw materials can mean a basic material that is found in various places, where the material can be used to be processed by a certain process into another form that is different from the original form. Next.
Okay, in this slide, let me explain a bit of supply chain management. Okay, so supply chain management is an integrative method or approach to managing the flow of products, information, and money in an integrated manner. It's said by Inyoman Pujawan in 2005. Well, this integrative approach will involve parties from upstream to downstream, consisting of suppliers, manufacturers, distribution networks, and logistics services. It is used indeed to manage the flow of products, information, and money. And the second one, the supply is a system in which an organization distributes its production goods and services to its customer. It's said by Indrajit and Joko Pranoto in 2002. It is also web or network or of various interconnected organizations that have the same goal, namely the best possible procurement or distribution of this good. And the third one, or the last one, the main objective of SCM or supply chain management are the handover or delivery of products on time to satisfy customers, reduce costs, improve all the results from this entire supply chain, not just one company, but it's their many company. So reduce time, centralized planning, and distribution activities. It's said by Purnomo in 2015.
Okay, so this is a company profile of Cozy Co-working Space and Eatery. So Cozy is an Indonesia-based company that provides shared workspace and modern eating places to meet your business needs. And Cozy provides facilities such as workspace, lounge, dining area, shared kitchen, and much more, including a fast internet access and extensive conference capacity. With a modern and unique concept, Cozy offers a safe and comfortable co-working experience for students, local and international professionals, startup and business people. And address of Cozy Co-working Space in E3 is Pangkalan Jati Street, number 1, Pangkalan Jati, Cinere, Jawa Barat. Okay, next.
Okay, next we will talk about research method. You can see the flow chart based on our research. The first one is study of literature. The research carried out began with a literature study, namely looking for research reference that has been carried out previous research and studying various reference method that could be applied to purchasing activities. The second is formulation of the problem. The problem that will be raised in the research object and then carries out research. To overcome these problems by providing suggestions for improvement, use the method that will be determined. The third is goal setting. After identifying the problem to raise this research, the researcher determines the objective to be achieved in the research. Next is the data collection. The data obtained in this research is in the form of primary data and secondary data. Primary data is obtained through direct interviews with the party of from the co-working space, and the secondary data was obtained from previous research in the form of the theories and discussion related to research problem. And the last one is the data analysis. Carry out analysis, they get answer to the problem formulation tag in the research. And the last is conclusion and recommendation. Next. Okay. And this slide we will talk about data collection. Data collection was carried out during field observation to Cozy Space and direct interviews with the head bar of Cozy Space. Next. Okay, the first question is what field does co-working space operate in? What basic material are used for what is produced? Uh, Cozy co-working space is a business that offers service and product simultaneously. Cozy Implement a Project Service System is running its business. Cozy has several rooms that can be rented out by its customer, including co-working rooms, collaboration areas, meeting room, and personal co-working rooms. However, not only by renting space, Cozy has also entered the F&B industry by providing food and drinks, as well as a cafe area for its customer. The type of food and drinks are varied, ranging from coffee and coffee other drinks. Then there is also food ranging from snack to heavy meals. The basic ingredient used for the main product of Fred because it is coffee beans. Because coffee is one the product that has the high sales, and this is a priority product. Please.
Okay, so this is the next question in data collection. What is involved in purchasing activity at Cozy Coworking Space? The answer is purchasing activity at Cozy Coworking Space begin with identifying existing needs, and then the business owner conduct a survey of suppliers of raw material needs by comparing several vendors, starting from price to quality. After getting a supplier one, Cozy then collaborate with that vendor to get more benefit by Cozy doing a quotation to making an agreement on price, quantity, and so on until the purchase order process is carried out. The next question: how does Cozy co-working space classify that and select that supplier? The answer: donor conduct a survey first to find out the comparison of price and quality sold by each supplier. Then several party involved determine which supplier will be chosen as a permanent supplier of the raw materials need by Cozy for long-term cooperation and getting more benefit because they have worked together. Okay, next.
Okay, next question is how does Cozy Co-working Space manage their suppliers as optimally as possible? And the answer is Cozy Co-working has carried out management of their suppliers by conducting their own survey for their raw material vendors. They can get evaluation and selection result directly by getting a clear comparison. The supplier that is finally selected is the choice that is considered the best for the running of the business. The supplier continues to be actively monitored in order to maintain the quality of the raw materials provided and ensure that there are no change. Even though COSE already has permanent suppliers for some of the raw material needs, COSE also doesn't turn a blind eye to other suppliers. If it turns out there are other vendors who are considered more profitable from a business perspective and have the sales value or quality required. Because COSE continues to monitor development and ensure supplies are stable, quality, and in line with their needs. Next.
Okay. In the next question, is the COSE co-working space process flowing well? And what is the process? So it's the answer is currently the purchasing process flow at Cozy is fairly good. The following is the flow for the purchasing process in Cozy co-working space: sending a request for quotation and receiving an RFQ, clarifying and evaluating the offer, negotiating and purchasing contracts, delivery, and acceptance. Okay. In the next question, it says, does everyone who works at Cozy co-working space take a part in the company's purchasing activities? So the answer is no. Only a few parties took part in this purchasing activity, mainly, namely the order, the stock control, and purchasing department, and headboard.
Okay, question number 7. During the purchasing process, does Cozy co-working space use an information system? If yes, how and in what form is the information system? And the answer is the purchasing process for raw materials is carried out manually and then recorded using software on a computer. For the purchasing process, Cozy also use the AIM entrepreneurial application, where this application helps with the management of products sold so that the data recorded manually will be compared with what is recorded in the application. And the last question is, how is supply chain management at Cozy Coworking Space? Has it gone well? And the answer is for the SCM in Cozy, it can be said to be running well because basically the existing procurement is still fairly simple and not too complicated. However, sometimes there are several obstacles that are beyond expectation, usually in the distribution part of procuring raw materials that are beyond calculation, and the parties involved will immediately look for a solution to this problem. Next. Okay, this is conclusion. The first, in determining suppliers, Cozy Co-working Space identifies needs and conduct surveys of suppliers to obtain direct evaluation and selection result for raw material needs by comparing several vendors, starting from price to quality. After getting the desired supplier, Cozy Co-working Space then collaborates with the vendor to get benefits from working together. This supplier continues to be actively monitored in order to maintain the quality of the raw materials provided and ensure that there are no change. Next.
Okay, the second of conclusion is the purchasing flow carried out by Cozy Co-working Space in procuring product raw materials begin with sending a request for quotation to the vendor. After receiving for the RFQ, in continues with clarifying and evaluating the offer that has been submitted. Then negotiating until agreement is reached between both parties and entering into a purchase contract. After that, the goods are delivered by the vendor at the current time according to request, and the final flow is receiving the ordered goods.
Okay, so we got to conclusion number 3 in this field is supply chain management and causal co-working space can be said to be good, starting from looking for several vendors who will serve as suppliers to meet the needs identified by the company. The purchase process is carried out step by step, and procurement is simply using the entrepreneurial application aim to help with operation and conclusion.
Okay, next. This slide is suggestion that can be given based on the result of what we have done at Cozy Co-working Space are developing an information system that can procure the required raw materials, which is useful so that Cozy Co-working Space and supplier of the required raw material are integrated with an information system that will later be makes it easier to carry out purchasing activities. Next. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.